right, 911 review shoppers. Today we have a fun emergency review for you today. I'm Adam, and this is 911 Reviews. All right, so what did I get in the mail? It is this fine drone. It's pretty fantastic, and I'm gonna go ahead and put an Amazon link in the description below. Now I will say it's lightweight. The price is pretty darn amazing. It does come with, essentially you do have to install a little bit, but it's pretty easy to set up. You basically just, these parts fold, so you unfold them. And then it's got these propeller protectors, which you just slide in, which you will need if you fly a drone anything like I do. Apparently, propeller protectors are helpful to you. Now, I flew this around the yard a little bit, did run it into a few things, and it didn't completely bust, which is fantastic. I'll try to show some footage of it in use. Although, admittedly, while trying to control the remote here, it is hard to record with your phone, so my wife did a little bit for me. Very fun little product. You can see, here's the remote, and it actually ties into an app, and you can put your smartphone or device tied into the app, and you can record video from the drone itself. Here you can see where you would kind of just put your phone into that. It's got a camera, 720 pixel right there. And you can, I don't know if you can see it, but you can aim the camera. You want to aim it a little bit down, towards looking down on whatever it's video recording, because straightforward, you're going to get a little bit of drone propellers in there. Again, price is pretty good. Doesn't require much setup. Comes with a little, a few little backup propellers in case you break a propeller, screwdriver, in case you have to take an arm off and replace it, anything like that. Pretty easy to set up. The instructions, not written in great English, but I mean, you can figure it out. You do have to put some batteries in this thing. The batteries, you have to use the screwdriver to put the batteries in. It's 3, I believe, AA batteries. AA is bigger than AAA, right? 3 AA batteries. It does have some stabilizers, your basic drone controls. Again, I'm not a great drone flyer, so this is my first drone. So this will be my practice drone. I'm gonna see if I can learn a little bit about droning. And I've been droning here for a while in 911 Reviews. But it's a fun little product. You can see it does have different lights, so you can orient yourself and it, if it's flying around, you know the blue's in the front, red in the rear, blue and green, front and back, that sort of thing. Pretty straightforward. To launch it, you just hold down this button and it'll take off. Anyway, folks, I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. Hope you enjoyed the review. It does actually also come with a backup battery. And like I said, I did fly it into a couple fences, trees, and into a shrub. It surprisingly is still in good shape. A little dusty, a little dirty, but it's a pretty fantastic drone. I'll put an Amazon link in the description below. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoy our reviews, click like, subscribe. We have new videos all the time. All right, folks. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.